Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to cancel order on your TikTok shop. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to cancel an order on TikTok shop, you will need to navigate to the orders section. Once you are there, you need to locate the order you want to cancel and initiate the cancellation request. Once you have done that, you will typically be prompted to provide a reason for the cancellation. So once the cancellation is processed, any prepayments or any prepaid amount will be refunded and you will receive updates via your SMS or your email. So simply open the TikTok app and do all these steps, as once you open your TikTok app, you can find the shop section right over there. And once you have located your order, you can simply proceed with this process. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.